Hi everyone. This is just a really short video. I just want to show you how to access my feedback to your assignments. So I've had a few students reach out and say, "Hey, are you going to give me like any feedback on the stuff that I'm submitting?" And I think sometimes maybe you just might not know where to find it. So if you're in, say, English 101, and you look over here on the side, you'll see some place where it says grades. And if you click there, you will see all of your grades. And you can click on each assignment and then see my feedback for that assignment, right? So if you click on, for example, essay one, brainstorming free write, if you click on it, you would see your submission here. You may also see comments right here on the submission, and then you may also see comments over here in the comment box. Occasionally, I may also upload a media comment, like I might do a voiceover on one of your assignments or something. So that's where you would see your feedback to assignments. And sometimes it may be something as simple as, hey, you did a great job. Sometimes my feedback may be far more in depth. Usually, the more points an assignment's worth, the more kind of information I'm going to give you. So, especially when you turn in papers, you're going to see tons of feedback from me. Okay. So, I just wanted you to understand how to see that. And I'll just show you again. If I come back to home, right, here's all my modules. And over on the side is where I would go to grades. And that is where you will find your feedback. If you click on any one of these, you will see your feedback. Okay. Good luck.